Hello guys, welcome back with my new video. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix a iPhone notification glitch. So guys, if you are using iPhone and have updated version of iOS 17 that you can see here and facing the issue that notifications are not working properly in your iOS 17 and have a notification glitch in your phone. So guys, easily you can fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, simply first of all you need to go back, and guys after this you need to open your settings in your iPhone. And guys first of all you need to click on notifications, and guys you need to make sure that all the notification is turned on your iPhone. So guys you need to check all of these apps one by one and check that notifications are turned on this tab. And guys you need to make sure that these three tabs checked and sound will be on also. And guys after doing this you need to open another app and check by same process. And guys after checking all the notifications, so guys if still not fix your problem, then guys you need to open your settings again, and guys you need to click on general. And guys to fix all the problems that are facing in iOS 17, Apple team announced new version of iOS 17, that is iOS 17.1, as you can see here. So guys by installing this update in your iPhone, all the features will be working fine on your iPhone, and guys your problem will be fixed. So guys after doing this, if still not fix your problem, then guys you need to click on transfer and reset iPhone, click on reset, and guys you need to click on reset all settings, and guys after this your problem will be fixed. So guys hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.